Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. So guys, today I am going to discuss about the primary verbs. As we all know, primary verbs play a very important role and they are found in many sentences. Now here, to use the primary verb, there are basically two rules. So first, the primary verbs are used if you want to talk about the state of something, where I am not using any action verbs with that. For example, am is, are and was, were. He is a boy, she is a teacher, they were friends. Now here in this examples we find that we are not using any action verbs. But if you want to use the action verbs when you are using the primary verbs, for example, subject and the primary verbs and the action verbs. How to use primary verbs along with your main verbs. Now if the primary verbs are am, is, are, was and were. Now the following verb will be first verb plus ing in active voice. So let us understand with an example. She is going to the market. So here I used she as a subject, is as a primary verb and go plus ing as your active voice present participle form of the verb. Okay, so please remember, whenever you want to use am, is, are in active voice and with the action verb, so the action verb will come in the form of present participle, that is first verb plus ing. Whenever you want to use will and shall as a primary verb, the following verb, action verb will be first verb, always, like in your future tense. I will go to the market, I shall come home one day. Now, if you want to use the other primary verbs like have, has, had, will have, it will be always followed with the third verb. That is your perfect tense. So if you remember this small techniques and tips to form a sentence, so here I was discussing only about the active voice. And I hope you will understand this much better and learn in a better manner with this easy tips and tricks. Follow me and thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.